Hey everybody, we're going to be doing an unboxing, review, and demo of this undersink organizer and storage with undersink tray. This is innovative in its design because it's going to help you organize and declutter under the sink or elsewhere, because you can use this in your bathroom, in bedrooms, your office, and I'm going to show you how it works. So let's get to the unboxing. Once you unbox this, the setup for this is very simple. It comes in a few different pieces. So you have altogether 4 shelves and a protector for the sink that's going to go in the center. I'll get back to that in just a second, but let's get into the steps that I went through. So the first thing I did was I installed the shelf, 2 shelves in particular, by connecting the 2 rods to those shelves, and the bottom shelf is a slide-in tray, which is going to be really useful under that cabinet. You can store taller items in that, and it's not going to collide with the upper shelf because of its innovative design. And that upper shelf, you just push that down onto those 2 rods, and that's how that secures. You do the same thing for the right side with the other 2 shelves. So you follow the same directions, and then the last step is putting in that tray, which goes in the middle. And by the way, that tray that goes in the middle, actually, it's optional for how wide you want this to be under the sink, if you do choose to go under the sink. And you can tighten that up to make it 28.5 inches altogether, or you can widen it a little bit to make it 35.43 inches. So if you have a wider sink, this is going to give you complete coverage. Now, you can also use this, and this is how I really like this, it's interchangeable. So if you want to put this on your kitchen countertop to organize your condiments or your salt or your pepper, your vinegar, oil, maybe some coffee beans, various dry goods, this works great for that, and it has that slide out option. If you want to use it in the bedroom, you can do that, office as well. Now, I chose to use it under the sink because my sink needed to be decluttered, and that's how I chose to install it. So as you can see here, it fits under the sink nicely, and I can just pull out the bottom shelves. They slide right out to grab my products. And as I mentioned, it has that type of height capability to where you can store tall bottles on the bottom section, and then smaller bottles or boxes or cups in the upper section. And that middle part, if you have a leak, for example, in one of your pipes underneath the sink, that's going to catch it and protect the wood or whatever material you have underneath the sink. So it's the undersink tray is what they call it. This is made of thick, strong plastic. You can tell that this is durable. It's going to last a long time. It's an L-shaped design, so it easily bypasses any curved plumbing or garbage disposals to increase the utilization of the limited sink space that we all have. So if you're having an issue under your sink with clutter and bottles everywhere, and you're tired of trying to find things, or it just doesn't look very good, this is a great product for that. The assembly is super simple. It's made of that upgraded ABS plastic material, and it's a great product. So I give this 2 thumbs up. It is going to make my kitchen look a lot better, and I'm not going to have much trouble finding the materials beneath. But I love how if I want to change this up, I can, and I can move it to other rooms. So hope this helps, and thanks for watching.